So friends, in this video, I will show how to multiply columns in Excel. So guys, as you can see, we have some data and we have two columns, and we will multiply this B column with C. So easy and simple formula, just press equal sign and here type B2. In my case, as you can see, we have this B2 column. Now press shift plus 8. So you will see this multiply sign. So enter this symbol, then type C2. Okay, now press enter. So you have this result. Now select this first cell and drag and drop like this. So this way you can multiply columns easily. So this is the first method, guys. There are another method I will show you. So equal sign and type product in capital PROC. Just here type product PRO. Over here you will see suggestion product, double click on it. Now here select this first B2, then semicolon, and select second one C2, then press enter. So now we have this result. Similarly, drag and drop. So this way guys, you can multiply columns in Excel. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.